This is my exercise for 2A. Uh, so, so this is exercise 2A. I call it is a physiography. So physiography that explains the physical characteristics of the area, generally that describes physical processes and forces that form the landscape. So it was a given understanding that because of the process, whatever the geography is being changed or being formed, I think we should take it that an example. Uh, this is a one temple in Nainital. It's called the Golu Devta temple. Uh, so the temple is full of bells. It is little bit on the hill, and it starts from the stairs and steps, and everything is covered with the bells. So devotees comes here, and when their full wishes get fulfilled or addressed by the god, they come and fix the bell according to their affordability. And finally, it has become in this shape. You can see the lot of tree trees are also covered with the bells, and everything is with the bells. So you can see it's a bell temple. I took this as a reference and then connect similar place in the Delhi. So this is the about the Matka Pir Dargah. It is very well in the center of the Delhi. Uh, so this is the, so I can just give you the little brief about that. So on the Purana Kila Road in central Delhi, there is so this is around a 784 years old dargah of Hazrat Sheikh Abu Bakr, which is known also as a Matka Pir Dargah. And the people believe that if someone comes here with any problem and prayers get answered, after which one has to offer the matka to this dargah. And many people visit the dargah with the belief that their prayers would be answered. So today, people from different places of India and even from abroad, they come to the Baba's dargah, and irrespective to their caste, religion, or country, with based on their faith, if, if the devotees' wishes are fulfilled, they offer a matka, which is a hanged from the stem of the trees. So there are many such trees are nearby, and once we can see the trees in a queue while approaching the dargah. Uh, the matka can be of any material. In fact, the clay, silver, or gold. But mostly earthen matkas are hanged since they are affordable. There are many stalls selling matkas uh, uh, in a specific size only. So this is the very specific size outside the dargah. So you can see here, so people are selling. And this is how the trees are seen. So many trees around this dargah are found. When you are just entering inside, then you just start seeing such trees. And the matkas are of a specific size only. So I thought that this matka can be taken as a tool to execute the exercise 2B. Uh, so I could have taken this, but I took the another uh, the tool. So I took a newspaper as a tool. So I'm just combining the exercise 2A and a 2B. So now it's about 2B. So tool which have been taken as a newspaper. So I try to put the different stages of the newspaper, start from the manufacturing to the discarding and recycling in a different stages, where the tool is a common, which is a newspaper. It's the form is a common. It's a paper form only, but the places and associated tools and the people who are handling this tool are keep changing on each stage. So I have just put all different slides describing two stages at a time, so we can just look at it properly. Here it is not clear written, but I think with the figure, I think we can understand. So there are 12 stages. So this is about the activity 1 and activity 2. So we talk about the programs. So I take the program as an activity. So we can understand based on what program, what are the steps are required. So newspaper is the tool. Here the activity, so it is specified by A, place is a P, tools are the T, and manpower as a M. So when we start the newspaper printing, so the printing where printing machine, printing place, so it's a manufacturing and the machine operators. The program 2, the shifting of printed copies is a program 2 where the trolley driver, then shifting and lifting trolleys are required as an associated tool, and the warehouse where it is to be put before transporting. Activity 3 is the first stage transportation where the tempo driver, then tempo or similar vehicle as a associated tool, and the transporting tracks. So the roads, we can say road or other tracks is, and the program 4 is a first stage distribution. So after the transportation, it goes to the one intermediate place where the distribution taken place of the all sort of newspaper according to their areas. And so bulk distribution is involved, that the floor mats are the associated tool. Then outdoor covered space is required because the rain is also the concern many times. Activity 5 is a second stage transportation. So after the bulk distribution or segregation, it goes to the specific areas. So this is taking to the specific areas where retail distributors are involved, and the two-wheelers or bicycles are taken as an associated tool. And the society gate where they go, the place where they go, and then again they distribute according to their houses and block numbers and accordingly. Then activity 6, the second stage distribution where the newspaper guy is involved. He needs a tie ropes as an associated tool just to tie the different bunch of the newspaper and then house. Then activity 7 is again program 7 within the home indoor house. Then somebody is reading the newspaper, so spectacles considered as an associated tool. The resting chair is a place, so house can be place, even resting chair can be even associated tool, the reader. Then activity 8 is after reading, the people put it into the unused paper, and there is a storage unit. Newspaper itself is a tool here, and the resident. Further we go, then so there is a two types of the reuse of the newspaper. So one outdoor use and the indoor reuse. So outdoor reuse, I have been observing in my flat that how the people use the newspaper. So the morning that cleaning guy comes, every week he take a one newspaper from us, so he can use that newspaper for the rest of the week. Before that, he was taking a newspaper which was the Sunday Times, but now he started taking the Divya Bhaskar of Friday. So I don't understand why he took this, but when I observed, then he used that newspaper to sit at his leisure time, and then he read about the Bollywood news. And he and his colleagues, everybody sit down together in the lunchtime and they read about that Bollywood news, and he enjoys. So that is the first use, which is a outdoor reuse of the newspaper. Then he used the same paper just to lay down, so on the parking. So there is a second use. Third use, that he opened his tiffin into the lunchtime and he used the newspaper where he can put the extra food and roti. So that is the third use, which is associated use of the newspaper. And he used the same newspaper for the car glass cleaning. So the ink which is inside the printing, being used in the printing, that is that is a catalyst, or that is effective in cleaning the glasses. So it works well. So he used the same newspaper for the car glass cleaning, and then he threw that into the waste bin. So when we see 1, 2, 3, 4, the outdoor use, he reuse of the newspaper, and there are the indoor reuse of the newspaper. So the ladies into the house, they use it for sometimes for shelves, on the shelves, if something's to be put, to cover the books, to clean the window glasses, sometimes into the kitchen racks, so they just spread and then they put. So this is the reuse of the newspaper indoor the house. Then program 10, so the same newspaper, so every month it goes into the scrap. So scrap dealer, the scrap yard, and the paper scrap. So these are the tools, place, and activity. Sometime the recycling. So recycling happen in two ways. So one, directly it gets shredded and the reuse and recycle to make a new newspaper. And sometimes they use for making a dustbin, paper dustbin. And in this case, it is a paper bag for plantation. So here the paper manufacture, processing machine, and manufacturing unit again for the recycling. And there is one more program, the one piece of paper, one copy of the paper goes into the storage racks where archival happens. So this is the 12th program. So I think this is how I have made this exercise. So I think 2A and a 2B exercise are here, which I am posting into the group. Thank you very much.